So, welcome to another video. Yeah, it's finally come to the point where I've got to swap this over, because this is doing my head in. I don't know, they always seem to snap up there and never work properly after, you know, they just go in there and everything else. So let me show you how to swap that. So I did a video, I just did a quick explanation I think when I did the carpeting of how to do it. Let's see if we can physically do it. Eagle eyes will know we're still going to carpet this. I've got to order some more carpet. I've got a bit for there. I'm going to get around this door done. Anyway, so what do you need to do to fix your broken door handle? I've had this kicking around for ages, and it's a half decent one. So there's a pin in there, and that pin, I've noticed on a couple of mine that this pin comes loose and then it comes out, or pulling on it like that all the time, eventually it just snaps. You know, maybe ragging the door when it's locked. It's not, you know, you think it's open locked and you're doing that, I don't know. So let's fit that. Right then, so first thing you need to do is this thing here. Now this on mine's an Allen key. You're going to have a Torx bit. Could be a 25. It's a wretched little screw, and sometimes it don't come out. And as you'll notice with mine, I had to drill it out. Well, you won't know that because I had to drill it to get it out. And if you notice, I've left this off here, so there's a little button on there. What I found was, I'm taking this off to tell you a bit of a, well, what has worked for me is that when I've carpeted these doors, when you lock and unlock it, I'm sure that moves up and down. Keys out on my pocket, but I leave it off because I think if I unlock it, that will unlock, so it's locked but unlocked. I found that with a van I had, that it locked itself, and that was stuck in the lock position. So that's why that little button's not on. So these caps, these aren't factory ones. These are just ones that I've got offline. I've never worked out how to get the standard ones out because I always seem to smash them. So basically I just re-drill the panel. I get 5 aftermarket ones and make them suit, and I know I can get all them all the time. So let's just take them out, and if I break them, you can buy them in big packs back, can't you? So pop your door card off, which I've had this off to cut it. Look, I've missed one there, like you do. Right, so let's get the door card off. He says, hang on, there we go. So I've got a bit of sound denting in there. Try and sort it out. Make it a bit let us bangy. You could cover your old door if you had to. So we need to get to this latch. Now, what there is, there's a 10mm there, and there's one up here. So you can see that's like that. So I've got one there and one up there. So do I have to go get a Torx bit? Have we ever done a video where I have not had to walk off? I'll try to get around it and I can't. Yeah. Right. Let me get that one out. I'm also going to get something. In fact, I'll use a bit of this cloth here. So a bit of stuff. And what could happen is you don't catch the bolt in the socket and it drops into the bottom of the door. So what I do is just stick a bit of rag in there, make sure it's tight into corners, and if the nut does drop out, let's hope it doesn't. There we go. So that's one out. I'll go get a Torx bit and we'll be back. In fact, I'll go this way. Nope. Yep. I can use these because they're 10mm and they're 10mm. That's how I've got to drop this off. You can't get anything out of line with this, it's just a door latch. And what I need to do is pull that out of the way like that. And the other bolt is up there. On the back of this there's a green clip. When we go to breakers, most of these are missing for the same reason. We'll keep that captive nut on there, and we just need to take this plate off here just after a little. So I have to just pop outside. And unclip it. I'll put the clip through here so you can see it. Can you see that? That little plastic thing there. Pull that back. There's a little retain, like a safety retaining thing in there, a little black, maybe an extra support. Then we just suppose hook the cable in like you do on the push bike. Bring it back down. Put a little green bit inside that white bit. Like that. Just like that together. When it's doing these videos, I get the jobs done. I'll put that one in first. Right. This is a bit tricky, this one. It's got to be, take your time. I dropped it. But because that piece of cardboard, I didn't do it on purpose, but because that piece of stuff's in that door, it bounced out. Normally you'd be fishing it bottom of the door and it's a pain. This actual cable just hides the thread a little bit. Sounds good. Pop the latch mechanism back in. check it, see if it all works, won't we? Sounds promising, that. On with the truth. Hey. Just try this. I'm very rarely open it from inside, but it works. There we go. So great. So you just put it back together the same way you took it apart, and that's how to get rid of your broken handle. Well, thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll catch everyone in the next video. If you've come across my channel, watch my other videos. Hope you like them, and if you do, you know what to do. Give us a thumbs up and comment if you want any help with that, or any information I've done, any advice you can give, that'll be great, good or bad. It's alright, and if you can, subscribe. Thanks for watching everyone. I'll catch you on the next video soon. Bye for now.